Video for chapter 2.3. This one looks sort of difficult, but it's not really. You're going to create three circles here. One with a 3/4 inch radius here. Use the same center line with a 3-inch radius. Come up to the tangent at the very top here and draw a 6-inch radius circle, and here's your center point. So you're going to have three circles here. Okay? In addition to that, you're going to come from this point, from the same center tangent point here, and draw a 3 1/4 radius circle. You're going to draw a 4-inch radius circle, which will be a center line, and a 4 3/4 inch radius continuous object line on the outside. Okay? Then come up here, go to your center layer, and draw a 30-degree line here off of this center point here, center line. So you got a 30-degree. Where they intersect, where this center circle intersects that 30-degree line, you're going to go to circle, use that as the center point where they intersect, and come out and go tangent to the line. Okay? Do that. Also, what you're going to do is come off 30 degrees from this line where it intersects with this circle here, same spot. Draw another circle, tangent, tangent, and then go to trim, choose this circle and this, the two circles here, and then just trim off these parts of the circle and center line that you don't need, and you'll end up with an object like that. Okay? And what I did, I went back and noticed that this wasn't tangent, and what I'm going to do is just, I didn't update this part. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to come over here and copy just where I don't have to redo this video. What's going to happen next, you're going to start trimming off. You're going to come back to this center point and draw a 2-inch radius. Let's go radius here. Using the same center point, draw a 2-inch radius circle out to here, and it'll go tangent. And you're going to have a whole circle here, so don't worry about that for right now, but you'll have a whole circle. Then you're going to come back over here to circle and go to drop down, tangent, tangent, radius. Click it. Come over here, choose this circle and that circle, and it's going to prompt you for a radius, and you're going to type in 1, and it's going to draw a circle here. And then all you're going to do is just come in here and trim that off. Okay? Then all that's left to do is they give you a thickness of 1/4 inch. And all you have to do is just offset this back 1/4 inch, run that tangent down. Same deal here. You're going to be able to see through this slot, so you know that the thickness is going to be 1/4 inch. So you're going to go back 1/4 inch, and also 1/4 inch here, and at the very top here. And just add your dimensions, and that'll be chapter 2.3.